Hey everybody, welcome back to Good Day Kansas. We are continuing our show here in central Wichita today with Nate from Wichita Home Works. Nate, it's always great to be with you.
Yep, thanks for coming out.
Yeah, you have a lot going on
with
this project, interior and exterior.
Yeah, we're kind of all spread out on this one.
Yeah, this is, I asked because I was confused.
Yeah.
This is the kitchen.
This is the kitchen, you are correct.
So you're doing an entire remodel? Is that what's going on?
Yep, so we did what we would consider a gut and a remodel on this kitchen space. So as you can see, we tore everything out of the existing kitchen, and right now we finished all of the drywall, rough work, got that all done, and then now you can see we've got all the cabinets installed. A couple minor tweaks yet, and then we're going to be moving on to countertops, backsplash, getting all the appliances in, the flooring, all the paint. So it'll really start to come together.
Yeah, the whole shebang in here.
Yeah, definitely. In the living room, we've got just a little bit that we're doing around the fireplace, kind of redoing the mantle. And then we kind of follow this out through the back door, through the back master bedroom. And we're doing some remodel work out there. And then outside, we've got a lot going on.
Yeah, a lot going on. Is it typical to have an interior and exterior project going on at the same time?
Yeah, so we see it a lot. It's nice because as as you're aware, when we get in here and start doing the work, there's no way around it.
Yeah.
It is chaotic.
Yes.
And so sometimes, a lot of times, our clients really just want to, rip the Band-Aid off, do it all at the same time. And so that also helps us because we're able to get all of our people here kind of at the same time. So we're able to, keep our costs down as well.
Oh, that's great. And to knock it all out, kind of.
Yeah.
Tell me more about the exterior project.
Yeah, so outside we poured a new patio in the back. We also raised that to help give us some drainage. It's a stamped patio. They're going to put a clear sealant on it when it's done. It's going to look really cool, like some natural stone. And then it comes all the way around the house to the driveway. We're doing a full replacement on it. So.
Yeah, I also think what's great is to have one company, specifically you guys, helping with inside and outside because it's going to look uniform and keeping the same kind of design concept in mind.
Yeah, definitely. So another thing that comes with that as well, we've talked about it before, but with us, there's no finger pointing because you have one contact throughout the entire project, and we have everybody under our purview for management. So we're the only ones you got to talk to, and we'll take care of everything as it comes.
Yeah, you're like, these guys messed up outside.
Exactly.
It's all the same people. Nate, how can people find more information about you guys?
Yeah, they can visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com or give us a call at 316-303-4485.
All right, sounds good, Nate. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Yep.
Make sure to reach out to Wichita Home Works now, and especially throughout the holiday season. More of Good Day Kansas coming up next.